Feeling stuck in your job? Want to transform your life? Earn $60,000 or more right away? Need a new career? Come to the Learning Center and learn how to become a software tester in just 3 short months. But is it really possible? Wouldn't one need to know how to write computer code? Prior IT experience? Spend years of life and tens of thousands on a college degree? Come to our open classes and talk to our successful graduates and current students. Find out for yourself if this is the right opportunity for you. At our class, you will learn that one does not need to know how to write geeky code or have a prior IT experience to become a software tester. What the heck does the software tester do anyway? Well, to put it simply, you'll need to find other people's errors and write a report about it. Software tester, in essence, is the first-time user of any computer program which is written for regular people, not IT geniuses. That's it. Not quite, of course. You still need to learn how to do it. And yes, employers are willing to pay good money for it. That's why they bring people from far away to fill your position. Oh, and by the way, according to Forbes, software tester is the #1 happiest job in the US. Who can become a software tester? Pretty much everyone who has common sense and basic user-level computer knowledge, such as doing online shopping and emailing. Our students come from all walks of life, education backgrounds, and age groups. Recent college graduates, coming back to work moms, discharged military veterans, recently unemployed, anyone who wants a career change. What it takes to transform your life? They say it takes a village to raise a child. Here, it takes a group of seasoned professionals to help a person to change a career and become employed. Our program is not another boring academic class that leads to zero experience and zero employment opportunities. Learning Center empowers you with both academic knowledge and practical hands-on experience. Brought to you by a team of experienced project managers and academic instructors who have over 35 years of experience. Our students execute real-life projects that can be listed on their resumes and go through an intensive internship program. And wait, that's not all. We have special boot camps where professional recruiters and life coaches train students on how to write their resumes, rehearse telephone and in-person interviews. Basically, teach advanced marketing skills. Our team knows what employers really want. They share that knowledge with you. Would you be willing to spend 2 evenings per week for the next 3 months and start earning $60,000 or more? Oh, by the way, we provide all books and materials. Still have questions? Need more info? Come to our open class. Just call us at 703-394-2364 or marketing@learningcenter.com to schedule.